Be strong.
I just got to the new Tesla service center out here at Briarcliff. This is a pretty nice place, although I have to say I don't see my car, but I see a lot of wrecked Teslas coming in. Here's a Model Y that's quit working. So I'm looking for Maximus.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
And I don't see him anywhere. Trust me, when you see my car, you know it. But there are a lot of nice cars out here. A nice Model S. But I don't see Maximus anywhere. Tell you what, there are some nice cars here though. I think my next car is gonna be a Model X. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it. But where is my car? That's what I wanna know. Well, I guess we'll find out. Let's go inside. As you can see, this is a new service center, and walking around the corner and there's Maximus. Now, I have to tell you, I'm a little disappointed in one way, only because of what I found out about the car. They're not going to replace my front windshield, at least at this time, which this corner right here is a bit high. And as you can see down here, the glass doesn't fit into here very well. And I don't like the way that thing looks. But this side is a little high also. You can't see it as well here, but I don't like the way they have this, to be quite honest with you. It irritates me, but what am I gonna do, right? So here's the issue with the back glass. And the back glass, actually not the back glass, but this top glass I thought was the culprit, but evidently it's not. They're now saying that this back glass right here is too low on this side, which, okay, I get. So I have to come back next week, and what's aggravating is live over an hour away, you bring your car out here and they have none of the parts, even though they supposedly ordered all the parts for this. But I will say this, Logan was fantastic here, really, really good guy, and so I've really appreciated the way he handled it. So we'll let that ride for now. Other than that, that's about it. They did replace my back window right here, and so I'm glad about that. But like I said, a little disappointed that we didn't get it all fixed in one shot. This tweeter area right here, this really is not cool. So supposedly this was fixed, and what they did was iron it out, and I told them that's not acceptable. This is a brand new car. So they're gonna fix that or replace that whole piece the next time I come in next week as well. So there you go. That's kind of everything that we've been dealing with Tesla. I am thankful for Logan, but honestly, not real happy with the overall fitment of the car, and it's a little aggravating. So there's your update. Hope you guys understand. It's a little aggravating. So Maximus is back home, and of course I love it. But we found a few things while we were walking the car up at Tesla. And one of the things that we noticed was this windshield wiper scrapes up underneath the car, or underneath the hood. And so they're going to replace that and make sure that's fixed when I have to go back next week to get this thing finished out. So we're going to see if this rear window is going to destroy the wrap. Have a bad feeling about it, but the tech at Tesla assured me that he can change out this back window without ruining the wrap and the PPF, but we'll see. I may end up having to rewrap that thing, which is gonna suck. But at least it's not this window right here, this top window, that's good. And the other thing that Logan was really gracious about was we found a spot up on the headliner. Now, I know you may say, Jeff, you're being too picky. But look, man, out of my wife's Model 3 and this car, I probably have $170,000 into two cars, which by most people's standards is way too much money, I get. But to be honest with you, I like the cars. That's just the way it is. So I made the financial decision, and you can see that they have another spot right there. So those were not from us, those were from them, and they are going to replace them. So I'm really glad they're going to do that. And Tesla, again, thank you guys. They did a great job overall.